I'm gonna give you 10 running tips for beginners. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe right now. Are you a new runner? Have you decided to start running to improve your fitness? Running has the power to change your life for the better, and you will never look back. Before lacing up your shoes, I'm going to give you those 10 tips in order to run better, faster, and you will also lose more weight if this is part of your motive behind running. Number one, just start. Start right now. You can spend all week, month, and year thinking about it and browsing the web for tips and plans on how to get out there and start running. You don't need anything. Just start right now. The biggest thing when you first start out is establishing the habit, getting used to being on your feet. All you really need is a good pair of shoes. Go to a specialty running store where training professionals will evaluate your feet, watch you run, recommend the right shoes. The right pair of running sneakers will mean a more comfortable run and lower risk of injury. Number two, find a running partner. The American College of Sport Medicine recommends having an exercise partner because it improves the odds that you will stick with working out. Here is why. Your run flies by when you're talking with a friend, and knowing a partner is waiting for you is a great motivation to leave the comfort zone of your chair or your house. Number three, always warm up. This is very important because you may injure yourself. It only takes a few minutes of body weight movement, like 3 or 5 minutes, to get your body ready for your run, which means the run itself will feel better and you will be less likely to get injured. And the number four, it's also very important, hydration. You lose water through sweat, whether it's cold or hot out there. So you need to drink before, during, and after runs. When you're running, you should pay attention to your thirst level and drink when you feel thirsty. With short running intervals. Are you super excited to start your running training? As a new runner, you should not plan on running the entire distance in one go. Break it down into intervals and try to keep them short at the beginning. Don't be ashamed to walk between the intervals so you can recover a little bit. After some times, you can start lengthening the running sections and reducing the walking between 2 minutes of jogging and 2 minutes of walking. Increase your running intervals by 1 minute per mile so you can stretch without having to walk. You can, we have the number six, do a little bit of strength training. I'm not saying you should go to the gym and start lifting weight as a professional. You don't need to start lifting weight or heavy weight or even go to the gym if you don't have to. But at home, you can start spending 10 to 15 minutes doing body weight workout in your living room a few times per week will strengthen your core and lower body, which will make running easier and minimize the risk of injury. And we have the number seven, which is a good pair of shoes. Invest in a good pair of shoes. Very important. You have to treat your feet the right way. Wear a pair of shoes that fit comfortable or very important. It's the right type of shoes for your feet and running style. A good pair of running shoes will also make your foot feel lighter as you run. And good pair of shoes can reduce some of the stress placed on the heels, ankle, and shoes during a run. This makes the activity more comfortable and safer. Those who use the right type of shoes may experience greater athletic improvement than those who do not. And the number eight, also very important, you have to breathe properly. When you are running, if you breathe properly, you can go faster and longer. Bringing awareness to your breathing builds more efficiency, a steadier pace, and a calmer mind. While running, you should use deep belly breathing as it is better for efficiency and maximal oxygen uptake than shallow chest breathing. Deep belly breathing is more efficient when running because it uses the entire capacity of the lungs. The air you breathe in also travels down to the lower portion of your lungs and stays there longer. This increases your oxygen uptake. Now, the number nine, don't start out running too fast. Your body has to get used to it, to the new stresses and strains of running. Many beginners start out running too fast and pay the price for this mistake within just a few minutes. Frustration, over exertion, pain, or even injury, or just some of the consequences. Even when you feel like cutting loose, you should maintain the same pace for the entire distance. Only those who give their body time to gradually get used to the new demands will have long-term success. And also, I would like to recommend that you do some squat, deadlift, and some other exercise in order to strengthen your core, strengthen your lower back, strengthen your legs, because you will need those machine in order to run faster and longer distance. Now, we have the number 10, which is rest. You need to rest. Yes, it is, because your body needs to recover. Rest is just as important as your workout. Rest allows your body time to rebuild and recover. When you run or do any type of exercise, you actually create little micro tears in the muscle tissue. Your body then rushes in to rebuild and repair the tears. This normal muscle exercise building process makes you a stronger person. However, if you don't take the rest, you might pay another big consequence, which is injury. The proper rest your body may or have time to fully repair before your next run, causing you to feel sore, tired, and sluggish. When you first start your beginning running program, it's a good idea to have at least 1 day of rest in between runs. Okay, if this is your first time, remember to subscribe. Running is very important for your health. Running makes you lose weight. Running helps you breathe better, helps you sleep better. Running has so many advantages and benefits. I will have a new video coming up next week about all the benefits of running. I hope you have a great day and remember to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.